Look around you. Society tells us that being rich means driving the newest car, wearing the flashiest designer clothes, and throwing money at things you don't really need. But what if I told you that is exactly what is keeping you broke? Welcome to Mr. Choi's Wealth Desk. Today we are talking about the reality of wealth. The truth is, true wealth is silent. Self-made millionaires do not build their fortunes by spending everything they earn. They build it by being ruthlessly intentional with every single dollar. If you want to escape the rat race and start building generational wealth, you have to stop thinking like a consumer and start thinking like an investor. Let's expose the 3 things that rich people absolutely refuse to buy and why you need to stop buying them today. Thing number 1, brand new depreciating vehicles. We have all seen it. Someone gets a small raise at work, and the first thing they do is go straight to the dealership to finance a brand new luxury car. They want to look wealthy to people they don't even like. But here is the brutal financial reality. The second you drive a brand new car off the lot, it loses up to 20% of its value. It is one of the worst financial investments you can possibly make. Truly wealthy people understand that a car is a tool to get from point A to point B. Instead of taking out massive loans for a depreciating liability, the wealthy buy reliable, slightly used vehicles. They take the thousands of dollars they save on car payments and pump that money directly into income-producing assets, real estate, stocks, or their own businesses. Stop buying status symbols that make you poorer. Thing number 2, fast fashion and the illusion of a bargain. This might sound counterintuitive. Why would a rich person avoid cheap things? There is a famous concept called the boots theory of socioeconomic unfairness. A poor person buys a cheap pair of boots for $50, but they fall apart in a year, so they buy another pair. A rich person buys a high-quality pair for $200, and those boots last for 10 years. Over a decade, the person buying the cheap boots actually spends way more money. Wealthy people do not buy cheap, disposable items that need constant replacing. They buy quality. They view their purchases as long-term investments. Whether it is furniture, clothing, or electronics, buying high-quality items once is always cheaper than buying garbage 5 times. Stop falling for the trap of cheap consumerism. Thing number 3, mindless entertainment and constant distractions. Time is the only asset you can never buy more of. Yet, the average person trades their most valuable hours for mindless entertainment. Endless streaming subscriptions, video games, and hours lost scrolling through social media. You are paying corporations to distract you from building your own future. Rich people do not spend their money to escape reality. They spend their money and time to create a reality they do not want to escape from. Instead of buying 3 different streaming services, they buy books, they buy courses, they hire mentors, they invest heavily in their own financial education. Your brain is your most powerful wealth-building tool. If you feed it junk food, you will get junk results. If you feed it knowledge, you will become unstoppable. Building wealth is not a secret formula. It is a series of disciplined choices made every single day. It is about delaying instant gratification for long-term freedom. Take a hard look at your bank statement this month. Are you buying things that make you look rich, or are you buying things that actually make you rich? If you are ready to change your money mindset and take control of your financial future, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these 3 things you are going to stop buying today. Keep building, keep growing, and I will see you next time.